Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to find and play Snap games on Snapchat. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to do it. So right now I'm going to play Snap games with my friend. So I'm tapping on this chat icon here, and now I'm going to opening my friend's conversation, and I'm tapping on this icon here and tapping on games. And from this list you can select any game to play, but right now I'm going to selecting this one and tap on continue, and it may take some time to load the game, and tap on start. So that's how you can find and play Snap games on Snapchat. And to leave from any game, tap on back and tap on leave game. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.